So our big problem was up there somewhere, a hanger broke. So we're gonna fix it, and I'm gonna be really creative. I'll just use whatever I find in the garage, cause that's how you make good profit. Mix and match. Here we go. By golly, I'm gonna be rich. Mark my words. Just like NASCAR. Maybe a hair quicker. Maybe I can get a job there. Maybe. That'll fit the ticket. This'll work. Mark my words. Maybe. So, little secret, I'll cut you in on. Put the jack stand there. Raise it up as high as you can. And hold the exhaust up. And then very carefully, yes, I can be careful. Just like a doctor's hands. Slowly, slowly let her down. So you just gotta be very careful. Ever so gently. Voila, it's fixed. Now we'll secure it to the car. Masterpiece. Almost done. So now, just want to mold it so it's nice and tight around your performance exhaust system upgrades. Kind of like so. Got that one anchored. So we're getting there. I'm hungry, so it's time for a beer. Then we'll get right back to this project. This is a big project. Lots to do in one day. Only so much time. So sit tight. I'll be right back. Well, sorry about that. Hour later, I'm back on the job. So where were we? So yeah, we're going to secure the exhaust system. It's alright. Let's get her done. So they say, and let's get this job completed so we can get some of that. Well, sometimes you get sidetracked, but that's not a bad thing. We're gonna get this job done very professionally-ish, or something like that. Come on, screw. That there is craftsmanship quality. That's the stuff right there. Just curl that over. Voila, she's done. Gotta put that in the box for another day. That's the one secret weapon right there. Gotta remember that one. You're lucky I'm carrying that with you. For extra security, we put an extra one in. Thanks for watching. This is Vince Vance, or Vance Vince, depending on how much I had to drink. Thanks a lot, and you have a nice day. Cheers.